Hi everyone, my name is Lisa and today I'm going to show you how I style my short but extremely curly hair using the Les brand's Love Your Curls All-in-One Styler. You'll notice that my hair is extremely wet. It's dripping down my face, and that's because I like to do my hair right after I get out of the shower. This product is water activated, so it works best on really wet hair. If for some reason your hair starts to dry out while you're working on it, I recommend having a handy spray bottle, give a little spritz, and things are just fine again. You'll see that I'm styling my hair with my glasses on. That's because I can't see a thing without them, and I'll just dry them off later. It's fine. But the first thing I like to do to start off, even though my hair is short, occasionally there could be little tangles or snakes, and so I just like to run a wide tooth comb. It's very wide, just once through my hair, just to make sure everything is kind of smooth, to sort of prep the playing field, so to speak. You can just see the water flying right off there. From here, we start with just a pump, a single pump. I like to smooth it between my hands just to kind of get stuff evenly distributed. And then it's a combination of both the flat hands, which some people call the praying hands, and raking my fingers through my hair. I just want to make sure that it's very evenly distributed, that, you know, all parts of my hair are covered so that everything will look great. So it just takes a couple of minutes to work everything in. Do another pump for this side. I find that if I work in sections, you know, one pump goes a long way in a section, and even if your hair is very thick like mine, it distributes extremely well. So you can see I'm kind of keeping my hands flat for some of it, and then using my fingers to rake a little bit just to kind of separate the curls. Onto the back. One thing about short hair, you can't really see what you're doing in the back. I do my best to kind of drag it to the front so that I can see at least some of it in the mirror, and the rest of it I go by feel, and that's not usually a problem. Okay, so I feel it's pretty well distributed on the sides and on the back. The top's a little more challenging. I try to do that maybe in a couple of sections. You know, it's hard to see what you're doing, but I'm trying to smooth it in and then also do a little bit of sort of finger raking, finger combing. So there's the first top section. And then the second top section, which is really more of the front. And you can see that even soaking wet, this hair is already trying to form curls, and so I want to make sure that it, you know, looks the way I want. I'm in my 60s. I've never owned a hairdryer or a diffuser. I've been an air dry kind of gal all these years. I just get my hair the way I want it, and then I don't touch it. Okay, so I think everything is pretty well coated. And now the next part is, you know, we want to get some of this excess water out. So I will squeeze that out, and then I like to sort of scrunch the curls together. It actually makes a very nice little scrunching sound. You know it's working. And this gets a bunch of the excess water out and also gets the really nice sort of curl formation. And then the only tricky part is really on the top, is I need to sort of bend my head over. I don't want to play with it too much because I've already got the product well distributed, but I want to scrunch those parts up at the top. You might have to hang your head over a little bit to the side to really get the best effect going. And then I just shake my head, and I might try and, you know, arrange the curls a little bit. I sort of go for this, what I call the intentionally messy look. And then if I see anything that looks like it's sticking out, a little bit more scrunching. You want to be kind of gentle with that. And there we go, done. And so now I will dry off my face, dry off my glasses, and then don't touch my hair for a couple of hours while it's drying. And I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's dry. Hi, I'm back. You can see my hair is dry now, and I've got a head full of fun, bouncy ringlets. I love to shake my head. I love the way my hair feels. Super soft and touchable, and just looks great all day long. Couldn't have done it without this product, the Les brand's Love Your Curls All-in-One Styler.